Looking for the best olive oils in 2025? Whether you're into healthy cooking, gourmet flavor, or just want a top pick for your salad, we've got you covered. In this video, we review the top 3 extra virgin olive oils based on taste, quality, origin, and value. From cold-pressed classics to premium blends, find out which oils are worth your kitchen shelf. Let's dive into the ultimate olive oil guide. Number 3. If you're searching for an olive oil that combines quality, authenticity, and value, 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil is a clear winner. Cold-pressed and vegan-friendly, this Mediterranean blend delivers a flavor profile that is both bold and smooth, perfect for elevating any meal. Whether you're sautéing, dressing a salad, or crafting a flavorful marinade, this oil enhances every dish with its rich aroma and taste. What sets this olive oil apart is not just its superior taste, but its transparency and purity. Unlike many grocery store brands that mix olive oil with cheaper alternatives, this product stays true to its label 100% extra virgin. The cold press process preserves its natural antioxidants and robust flavor, making it a health-conscious choice that doesn't sacrifice on taste. With its affordable price, this olive oil proves you don't need to splurge for premium quality. It's the kind of pantry staple that earns its place bottle after bottle. For home cooks, foodies, or anyone looking to bring Mediterranean flair to their kitchen, this olive oil is a must-have. Flavorful, genuine, and versatile 365's Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil is a culinary gem that deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen lineup. Number 2. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile olive oil with a mild and smooth flavor, Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a top-tier choice. Made from first cold-pressed olives and crafted by the olive oil people, this 68 fluid ounces bottle is a kitchen essential for both everyday cooking and wellness routines. The smooth, delicate taste makes it ideal for sautéing, stir-frying, drizzling on vegetables, or even as a finishing touch on popcorn. It's incredibly mild without being bland, offering just the right balance of flavor without overpowering your dishes. Certified for authenticity by the NOA, it's also non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, kosher, and allergen-free, checking all the right boxes for health-conscious cooks. What makes Pompeian stand out even more is its multi-use appeal. Reviewers rave not only about its culinary uses, but also its effectiveness as a natural skincare remedy. From moisturizing dry skin to aiding minor injuries with overnight relief, this olive oil doubles as an age-old wellness hack. For those who use olive oil regularly, the generous 68-ounce size offers incredible value. Smooth, pure, and packed with polyphenol, Pompeian delivers on taste, quality, and versatility, making it a must-have for every home chef and natural wellness enthusiast. Number 1. Atlas Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a gourmet-level product that beautifully combines exceptional quality, flavor, and health benefits. Sourced from a single-family farm in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco, this oil is made from hand-harvested olives and cold-pressed just once to preserve the highest concentration of polyphenol, making it a powerhouse for both taste and wellness. The flavor profile is where Atlas EVO truly shines. With delicate notes of almonds, basil, lemon, and sweet banana, it delivers a complex yet balanced experience that enhances everything from roasted vegetables to fresh salads and homemade marinades. Whether used for sautéing, drizzling, or as a dip for crusty bread with herbs, the smooth and lightly fruity taste makes every meal feel gourmet. Its certified organic and chemical-free composition also makes it an excellent alternative to butter or processed oils, especially for those pursuing a healthier lifestyle. The oil arrives in a beautiful, sturdy bottle, and users praise it for its non-smoking quality when heated, making it great for everyday cooking or finishing touches. Trusted by Michelin-starred chefs, Atlas EVO is not just a pantry staple, it's a culinary investment. If you're seeking superior olive oil with authenticity and depth, this one is worth every drop. Thanks for watching our top 3 best olive oils review of 2025. Fork and knife with plate. First place medal if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Tried any of these olive oils or have a favorite we missed? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking delicious.